Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a video on software-defined radio. I think I made a video on it that I received a Yagi-Uda antenna, which is a directional antenna that's supposed to operate at 2.4 gigahertz. So I have that plugged into my HackRF that is connected to my laptop. And the software that I'm going to run to show you that it is a directional antenna and it works perfectly fine as per the direction. Once you change the direction, it will get a better signal strength. That's the purpose of these directional antennas. So let's quickly check that real quick. For that, I have SDR connected, as I already explained. I have my software-defined radio Angel. SDR Angel is running. I'm going to just simply turn it on. I'm going to look for my receiving device. We're going to try to receive Wi-Fi signals, and we're going to try to check and see that in which direction I'm getting a better signal strength as compared to a general position of this HackRF or my device that is connected to a Yagi-Uda antenna. So I'm going to simply go here and I'm going to select my HackRF and I'm going to click OK. All right, right now I'm connected to a Wi-Fi. Let's just quickly look at it, look at the specs of that. So this thing is operating at 2.4 gigahertz. I'm getting an IP address of private IP address. So I know it's operating at 2.4 gigahertz, and my antenna is also operates from 2.35 all the way up to 2.55 gigahertz. I'm going to change this frequency to 2.455. That's the frequency. I'm going to increase my LNA a little bit and VGA a little bit, and then I'm going to hit play. So I can see that I am receiving indeed signals. As you can see, the activity right here, because my spectrum is jumping up and down, which sees that my antenna indeed is receiving the signal, Wi-Fi signals. I can also add channels. I can simply go here and I'm going to add a channel, and I'm going to add a channel called a channel analyzer, or where I can clearly see what's going on. Okay, I can add a channel called channel analyzer. I will simply add up a channel. I'm going to move this aside right here. Okay, close this, and I'm going to move this over here, and this is my channel analyzer. This is the scope window of that. This is the channel spectrum of that. And I'm going to increase this a little bit so I can clearly see what's going on in the spectrum. So right now, as per the position, as you can see in this channel scope graph, that I am getting some signal with a smaller signal strength. As you can clearly see here, that indeed I'm getting a signal through my antenna, which is my Yagi antenna. You can also visualize this over here as well using this spectrum. And I can also use channel spectrum analyzer or channel analyzer to actually see that eventually I am getting some type of a signal. As you can see it on this graph, also on waterfall, also on channel spectrum graph, and also on channel scope. But once I start moving the position of this, you would realize that now the signal strength is getting bigger and bigger as compared previously when my antenna is positioning to a different position. Now when I change this position, because this is where the antenna is mounted at, so in this position, as I can clearly see, and you can also see it in the graph as well, that my signal strength is jumping up and down. So indeed my directional antenna, which is a Yagi-Uda antenna, a simplified antenna, is working perfectly fine. So I can use this antenna, and I can use my software-defined radio to actually look for direction of my signal, in which direction I'm getting a better signal strength as compared to an omnidirectional antenna, which gives you radiation in almost equally, not absolutely equally, almost equally in all directions. As you can clearly see this is from the graph itself, that you can clearly see that my spectrum here is also jumping up and down. Now also you can see a higher signal strength as compared to if my antenna is positioned this way. Now just look at the comparison on my laptop as well, because yes, you are indeed getting signals, but when I change the direction, all of a sudden my signal strength is off the chart. So you can use these directional antennas to increase the gain and increase the directionality of your spectrum. You can clearly see this here. So I hope you like this small tutorial. I also made a video on this as well, where I checked the impedance matching of this antenna using VNA, and you can also look at that video as well. So I hope you like the small video on how to check your antenna, directional antenna, and how these directional antenna operates via direction, in which direction that you're pointing at. This is a very handy device to actually check and see, analyze the signal, and find the direction of your signal strength. So I hope you like this small video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.